Good evening, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Courtney, and on this channel, I talk to you about tutorials on how you can make money online. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified when I release a new video. We are talking about how you can use PrizeRebel to get free gift cards every single day, and this will be a step-by-step tutorial. Now, if you've seen some of my other videos, PrizeRebel has changed some. So we're going to go over the new updates. There are new levels. You see here I'm Diamond. I've been a member since 2008. My current perks are 1% of the bonus, 20% of referral earnings. So if you click the link in my bio and join, it's free to do so. When you earn points, I earn points. Higher survey bonuses, Diamond Plus exclusive bonus promotions. Upcoming perks when I get to Emerald would be first mystery reward, priority support, early access to new features and partners, Emerald only inside promo codes. I still have 24.90 next for my next reward. That's almost $25. Every 100 points is $1. You see, I have 258 points. You see here, you'll start out at bronze. You get access to surveys and offer rolls. Rewards unlocked at the minimum of $10. 10% of referral earnings. Silver, unlock more rewards. Lowered minimum reward redemption, $5. Then you get to gold. You get instant reward processing. Access to survey providers. 15% of referral earnings. So all you have to do is do a video completely like this, sharing your screen and telling everybody about PrizeRebel. Platinum, 1% discount, early access, and exclusive platinum benefits. Diamond, 1% monthly bonus, 20% in referral earnings, higher survey bonus, diamond exclusive promotions. Emerald, when we get to Emerald, we get a free mystery reward, priority support, early access to new features and partners, and Emerald only promo codes. So that's exciting. If we go up here, we can click on surveys. If you're a survey person, they have a bunch of survey providers. PrizeRebel, Samplelicious.us, PrizeRebel 2, Pro, Daily, InBrain, and Say So. And then you can go over. They have Cherries, Cherries 2, Spectrum, Gold, Taluna, Innovate, or All. Okay? This 72-cent survey is what I usually focus on. If you do the math, 72 into 500 points would mean you need to do about 6 surveys a day. Okay? If you just focus on these surveys. Okay? If we go up here to offers, you can go to the offer balls. Revenue Universe, InBrain, Tapjoy, MyChips, Ascend, AT Studios, Toro X, AdGate. I use AdGate, I use Toro X, and I use Radium Universe. And what I do is every day I just come down here and I hit free, and I'll just scroll through, like sign up for the USA Assistance Guide. It's 38 cents. You think that earning $5 on this site is hard? It's not. Make videos like this explaining to people how to use PrizeRebel. Put your link in the description and they will sign up. Sign up for the home money guide, another 24 cents. If you suffer with chronic autoimmune liver disease, 11 cents. All of these are free and they just ask for information. 24 cents. Okay? Enter your email, 72 cents. You know, your goal is 500 points a day. So go through these offer walls, see what you like to do. We'll go to the reward section. There's Amazon. There's every single gift card, guys, that you can even think of. Visa gift cards. There's BitPay. There's Walmart. You can buy iTunes, Amazon. This is amazing if you like to do some extra side work for holidays. You can save up for Amazon gift cards and then buy all your Amazon gift or your Christmas gifts on Amazon. Dunkin' Donuts, you can get a coffee every day. Kohl's gift card, eBay, Subway, Ace. There's tons and tons and tons. Hold on. There's probably more than 7 pages of gift cards. Yeah. So we're at 13 pages right now. There's every gift card, 15 pages. There's every gift card, 15 pages of gift cards. We have every gift card. What do I go for? I go for PayPal. I want it deposited right into my PayPal. I want cash. If your country or something doesn't allow for that, gift cards work just fine. You can come over here, $1 to $5 rewards, Amazon gift cards, online games. If you're an online gamer, there's Razer Gold, there's League of Legends, Roblox, Nintendo Shop, Xbox, PlayStation, Steam gift cards, League of Legends, a Xbox Live, World of Warcraft, and another Nintendo game. PayPal, crypto, Bitcoin, ACH bank transfer, Venmo. If you've been wanting to start crypto or Bitcoin, this is a great way to start because you can just put your amount in your account and start buying crypto. All right. You can also do raffles and contests. And the most important thing, if I invite friends, I'm going to put this link in my description. If you want to join PrizeRebel, it's completely free. All you have to do is click the link, sign up, and then start making money. Okay? I have 123 total referrals. I've earned $82.81. That's total. That's lifetime from my referrals. Okay? I have people that click my links, but they don't ever sign up. They click it, but they don't ever follow through. So I've gotten 58 total clicks, but no referrals. So we can go to my rewards history. I used to be big on this. In April, I cashed out $5. My points history, like I said, Revenue Universe, I got my April special bonus. Revenue Universe, I watch videos, I do surveys, I hit my daily challenge that day. And it's all about just earning $5 per day for a whole week. 7 times 5 is $35, guys. You can earn this money and do something with it. Start a business, pay off some debt, go to the grocery store, put gas in your car, whatever it is you need to do, use PrizeRebel to help fund that. So my current point balance is $2.58. I've earned 0 points today, 0 points yesterday. Points earned this month is $2.50. Points earned this year is $6.82. Lifetime points I've earned from PrizeRebel is $758.44. I've claimed 134 rewards. I have 123 referrals, and my referral points today is 0. Everybody has this. You can do exactly what I'm doing. Just share your link and do a video and share how PrizeRebel is working for you and how other people can duplicate what you're doing. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified when I drop a new video. Thanks for watching.